What's up, everyone? Just Deep here. As you know, everyone is stuck in their home to stay safe from COVID-19. So, in this video, I will tell you how you can capture cool images of yourself in your home. Let's get started. So for my first image, I was trying to grab your attention toward my eyes by the shadow of window bars, and I want to create an orange-blue theme. And I also crop my image in such an angle which helps to show that those bars are leading towards my eyes. For next photo, my pose was just same, but my eyes was just closed. And for editing, I just copied the settings from first image to just give it same look. For my next photo, I was just pretending that I just fall asleep while I was watching something. To make it more realistic, I just put my pillow on my back, which shows that I was actually watching something on my laptop. For this image, I was trying to show that I am in a dream. To make this image more realistic, I used my window as a bright light source, and in my post-production, I just decreased clarity to give it that dreamy effect. For this image, I was trying to show that I'm looking at something important, and that's why this image have really dark shadows which help to create that serious mood. For this image, again, I was trying to grab your attention toward my eyes, but now I was using my laptop to create that leading lines toward my eyes. For this image, again, I was pretending that I was watching something, then I just fall asleep. For this image, I was trying to show that I'm looking at something really interesting, so again I use my pillow to show that I'm getting excited. For this image, I was trying to show that I'm really tired after watching my laptop, and that's why I'm not looking at my laptop to show that I'm really done with it. For this image, I was just trying to show the back of my t-shirt which says American Eagle with different hand actions. For this image, I was just trying to show that how some people have power defined as their abilities to influence over others. For this image, I was trying to show that how different shapes and your hand actions work together to make different meanings and signs, and it also tells about your mood. And here are my more images with easy style poses. So now you know how to capture great photos by yourself, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If it's your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and thank you, and see you in the next video.